Today's cue cards is, describe an area in your home where you feel relaxed. So before starting, please like the video and subscribe the channel. So this is the sample answer. There is no denying this conviction that our home is the best place for us, where we find much needed support and affection. Although I love each nook and corner of my abode, there is one area where I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed on the rooftop. I feel relaxed there for many reasons. Firstly, my rooftop is on height, and the whole city is visible from there. In the morning, I go there to have a short walk. Apart from this, I do basic stretching to start my day with a bang. In the evening, I stand on different corners of the rooftop and see the vehicles plying on the roads. As my house is on the city's outskirts, the traffic is less, and there is usually significantly less noise. To feel relaxed, I do many things at weekends. I go to the rooftop in the evenings and play the guitar. The music coming out of it provides a soothing experience to me. Apart from this, I invite my bosom friend to play board games like chess and carom board. While playing them, my time passes quickly, and it uplifts my mood. When the weather is nice, I organize a rooftop party and invite my friends. Rather than cooking at home, we order food from outside to reduce stress. Lastly, whenever I have kittens, I meditate to remove the unnecessary thoughts coming into my mind, making me full of beans. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties, then ask your doubts in comments section.